This is the Genesis G90. The Genesis G90 features a fingerprint authentication system, which can allow personalized access to the vehicle for registered drivers. The fingerprint authentication system allows the driver to have access to personal information, profile unlock, and to exit valet mode with just an enrolled fingerprint. Up to 2 fingerprints can be registered to your vehicle, with Driver 1 and Driver 2 each capable of registering 1 fingerprint each. To register a fingerprint to the user profile settings, begin by placing both smart keys inside the vehicle with you. Ensure the vehicle is turned on, and then press Setup, User Profile Settings, select the driver, then Fingerprint Identification, enter or set password, set Delete Fingerprint, and finally Consent and Set. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor as instructed. Follow the on-screen instructions and place several areas of your fingerprint on the sensor to obtain a proper scan. Once scanning is complete, the message Saving Fingerprint appears and the fingerprint enrollment process is complete. To use, simply touch your finger to the recognition sensor when the fingerprint shape appears on the infotainment screen. To delete a registered fingerprint, ensure one of the smart keys is inside the vehicle with you. Then press Setup, User Profile Settings, Driver 1, Fingerprint Identification Delete, then Delete. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.